Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the Fish Deity Weapon inside of Abyssus. So you're going to have to play this game at least 3 times, probably 4 or 5 or 6 times all the way through, until you have beat all 3 variants of the second to last boss. Once you do beat it, this is the area that you spawn in. You spawn in this tent here. You're going to want to come out here, hang an immediate left, go around here, hang another left over this dock area, and then you're going to want to go underneath of this waterfall. This waterfall hides a secret. And if you hop up inside of here, there's a secret chamber. You can click this button up on this wall, and if you defeated all 3 of those mini-bosses, all 3 of these statues should activate and spill water out into this fountain. Once the fountain is full up, a fish will plop out, and this is where you get the Fish Deity.
Fancy gear, this?
So now we can go equip it and start spewing fish vomit everywhere. And then once you've got the Fish Deity as a weapon, it's just this cool little fish that's covered in like Mayan designs, and it shoots a magical vomit. Both the puke kind and the projectile vomit kind. And then when you reload, you just throw the fish away and get another one. Now it's like the cursed Tiki Idol on the Brady Bunch. You can never get rid of it. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to get the Fish Deity inside of Abyssus. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.